Most people's interaction with our justice system will be getting a traffic ticket, but while they can be a nuisance, they're also essential in keeping our roads as safe as possible.
In tonight's Service Matters report, Fox 40's Riley Carroll joins a Placer County judge for a day in traffic court to see how she deals with hundreds of tickets each day and how she uses her discretion to keep drivers safe and also accountable.
If you've ever been pulled over, you know it's scary being written a ticket. But if you've ever shown up in court after getting that ticket, you know it can be even scarier.
A lot of people seem really nervous when they come in.
The good news is Placer County Court Commissioner Shawnee Rourke says there's really nothing to be scared of.
No one goes to jail in traffic court. I don't know if anybody comes to traffic court and it gets worse than it would have been if they just ignored the ticket to begin with.
So in case you find yourself being pulled over and handed one of these, here's some helpful information to know about what your options are.
Most common is people just pay the ticket. Some people want to have a trial, and you would most often come into court to make arrangements for that.
If you don't just want to pay your ticket, you can have a trial, which can be done in written form.
What's called a trial by written declaration. Essentially with that, you submit your side of the story in paper, the officer submits their version of events, and then it goes to a judicial officer, and they make a ruling just like they would if you came into court.
Or you can have your day in court and question the officer who wrote you the ticket.
And sometimes people think that the officer was incorrect, that they are actually not guilty of whatever the offense is. Sometimes people think they have a defense that maybe they legally don't have. Or sometimes I think they just want to see if the officer is going to actually show up to court. They want to roll the dice on that and see how it goes.
Sometimes you're written a fix-it ticket.
Window tinting, a headlight was out, the car wasn't registered.
Those can be corrected fairly easily by showing proof of the fix to a law enforcement agency and having them sign off on that ticket, or by bringing your proof to traffic court.
I drove directly to the DMV and took care of both of them.
Great. Do you have that with you?
I do.
Documentation? And we will dismiss the registration. Thanks for getting that taken care of.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
And perhaps the most common violation comes as no surprise to those of us in a rush.
Speeding is definitely the most common.
On this particular day in court, there were a lot of young speed racers, like this teenage girl who was speeding to her nail appointment.
Did your dad back there give you a lecture about that? Oh, yeah.
Commissioner Rourke says if it's a young driver's first offense and the speeding wasn't too out of control, she often sees community service and a stern warning as sufficient punishment.
I have to go 90 days with no tickets from today's date. If you can do that, and I will run a new DMV record and check and make sure that everything looks good. But if you can do that, I will dismiss this one, and we'll call it a learning experience. July 28th, 1 o'clock, no speeding to our nail appointments between now and then. Deal?
Or this teenage boy who says he was too excited to get home from school on a Friday.
Were you less excited to go home and tell your mom you got a speeding ticket?
Yeah.
Did mom give you a hard time about that? She'd tell you that the real consequence here is your insurance rates going through the roof?
But not every speeding ticket gets community service and the learning experience talk.
So we get tickets for people going in excess of 100 miles an hour. And that's a 2-point violation on your driving record. And so if you come in and you've got a ticket for that, the implications on your driver's license and your insurance can be pretty significant. I'm more concerned personally with ones like that where I think there is a real risk to public safety if the behavior continues, as opposed to something like a misdemeanor, driving on a suspended license. Presumably the person, if given time, can get their license back, and then we can deal with it more easily that way.
So the lesson is, follow the rules of the road and don't end up in traffic court.
July 28th at 1 o'clock?
Yep.
Does that date work? Okay, we'll see you back then. Drive safe.
But if you do find yourself in Commissioner Rourke's courtroom,
we're really more focused on problem solving in traffic court and then, doing what we can to make sure that people are driving safely.